In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set alerts on TradingView. If you've ever missed a key market move, alerts can be a lifesaver. We'll walk through the exact process clearly and calmly so you can set one up with confidence. First, open the chart you want to create alerts for. Make sure you're looking at the correct symbol and time frame. It helps to zoom into the price area you care about so you can visually confirm the level you're targeting. If you're tracking a specific level, glance at the current price on the price scale to decide the exact value you want to watch. Next, look to the right-hand toolbar and click the clock icon to open the Alerts panel. This is your control center for creating and managing alerts. If the panel is narrow, expand it slightly so you can clearly see the options. Opening this panel ensures you have a dedicated place to create, review, and later manage any alerts you set. Now click Create Alert. This opens the setup window where all the important details live. Think of this as telling TradingView precisely what to watch and how often to notify you. Take a moment to read each field so you understand what you're choosing. Set it up by entering the price, the crossing, the value, the number of times it can trigger, and the expiration. For the price, type the exact level you want to monitor. The crossing setting defines how the alert behaves. Crossing means it will trigger when price moves from one side of your value to the other. If you want to be more directional, choose crossing up or crossing down to catch only upward or downward moves. The value is the number the alert will compare against, usually the static price level you just decided. For the number of times it can trigger, decide whether you want a single alert the first time it happens, or multiple triggers. Choosing a single trigger keeps things simple. Allowing multiple triggers can be useful for range-bound markets. Finally, set the expiration so the alert automatically turns off after a date and time you choose. This is helpful if your setup is only relevant for a limited window. When everything looks right, click Create. You'll see your alert appear in the Alerts panel, and often a marker on the chart at the level you specified. And that's all. You opened the chart, opened the Alerts panel, created an alert, configured its conditions, and finalized it. You're now ready to let TradingView watch the level for you while you focus on the rest of your analysis.